This is a story about the International Research Center for Senior Care Service Innovation. Metia is a high-tech European company whose key product is antibiotics detector and the corresponding auxiliary medical diagnostic system. Based on it, Metia is planning to develop a new service that targets at the community and home-based senior care service market in China. However, the new service development should be conducted in China's real context, so as to collect users' real requirements and test the technology feasibility, usability, and business model. Meanwhile, it is time-consuming and costly to deploy the hardware and software to provide Chinese version of the interface and to give training courses needed for new service development. In addition, it seems almost impossible to control the validity and reliability of the research. Obviously, an R&D agency specialized in this market segment in China is needed. In the end, a perfect solution is provided by the International Research Center for Senior Care Service Innovation. The research center consists of two parts. One is the virtual part, co-founded by Fraunhofer, IAO from Germany, and Beijing Research Center of Urban System Engineering, Beijing Academy of Science and Technology from China. Aalto University and the Finnish Strategic Center for Science, Technology and Innovation in ICT work as the key associated partners, conducting research of service engineering methodology for senior care service development, developing standards for service quality evaluation, as well as outsourcing R&D services. The other is the physical part that includes a service engineering laboratory and community experimental bases located in Beijing, mainly undertaking services design, prototyping, and testing work in virtual and living lab environments. Up until June 2014, the research center has established 6 community experimental bases with a database of more than 80,000 senior people, which cover almost all the categories of communities, senior people, and service organizations in Beijing. The ICT facilities in the community experimental bases, the service integration platform based on SOA, and the qualified technicians together simplify the deployment and the interface translation work required by service testing and development. Meantime, the validity and reliability of the research is guaranteed by the knowledge base of service engineering, aging, Chinese community system, as well as the project experience embedded in the team of the research center. Besides conducting testing and R&D outsourcing services, the research center has 2 other important missions. One is to develop breakthrough senior care technologies, services based on service engineering, living lab methodology, and big data technique. The other is to develop standards, conduct evaluation and certification for science and technology-based senior care services, giving support to government in regulating the market. The road ahead will be long, and our climb will be steep. We believe that through our excellent service, you will get a successful business in Chinese as well as the global market, making your contribution to the independent, healthy, active, and successful aging life for senior people all over the world.